Hey, what's up, guys? What's up? I'm Sam.
Isaac.
This is Drop Motorsports.
Go, 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 go!
Hey, what's up? So I'm kind of lost on where we are on any video at all. So we got the intake truck done. Don't know if we showed it. Not done, but it runs and drives at the moment. And we have a meet that we're hosting today. And we're trying to take this thing and gotta put hood pins on. First time putting hood pins on ever. We just had a bungee strap, but hood pins is the way to go. We're running out of time, so we're gonna try to do this as fast as possible. Damien's here to help me.
What's up?
Alright, so I made it safe and sound in the intake truck. We're out here. Woo! Didn't get pulled over. I'm a little nipply. They're letting the inmates out of the prison. We got the Honda Spree out here stealing the show, like always. Alright, so we're out here at the meet. I'm gonna go walk around and see what kind of cars we got out here. Of course, Sam's Miata and his Integra. And we got Caleb. Oh, there's Max. Oh, look at him. Oh, shit. This is Caleb's SS Impala. Just walking around, Caleb. Say hi, Caleb.
Hi, Caleb.
That's perfect. And then the SIG WRX? Yeah. Doesn't say? WRX. Okay. WRX. Putting on a Drop Motorsports banner at the meet because we were procrastinating before.
I've seen one.
That looks pretty center to me.
I literally said, I didn't know. You know, the part.
Lift your side up a little. Where's the... You made it over here.
Can't forget Caleb Grovey's Civic, stock AF. And I don't even know what to call this Evo, the B11 or that 311 RS. It's sick though. Type R. And then the sticker bomb Saturn. My brakes are good. How's your insurance? And then J Red parked his Camaro way out here next to Damien's Miata. Got a couple bikes out here too. This one's pretty sick. Can't forget about the Spree. And we got Tony's CBR. And then Max's CBR.
Hell yeah, this is a success out here. A lot of nice cars, bikes, a semi, a moped somewhere over there. A bunch of people showed up, eating, fun time. Definitely have to do more of these in the future.
I'm just rocking off the stand. Probably stall it. And you just got Nate over here on a spree all jelly.
I know, dude. Oh, the Evo. That's your dad's or yours? Is that a real Type R or just a wing? A wing. Of course, man. They're all... Oh, watch him leave this parking lot, dude.
Watch the angle.
Back up in the middle of the road to catch the craziest angle. Lower car.
Yeah, lowered car problems.
That thing sounds so nice. 500 on corn. It was dead stock. Like, you got an exhaust, a lip with the rims on it, the toe strap, and the roof rack all in like 3 months.
Oh, scrapage.
Lower car problems. Yeah, that sounds way better.
Seats are worth more than
That's the most casually he's ever driven that thing. Yeah, man, I love the Tigers. Look, I gotta go in here.
Gotta scroll through those memories.
Yeah, man. Oh, I got more photos of it too. Sick. People think it's purple, people think it's blue. I don't think this one when it was started. This is a video going all around it.
It was a great meet. The crowd's thinning out. The integtruck is about to leave. Those lights are really bright. See you guys next week.
Thanks for watching.
Turbo obsessed.